There is nothing quite like the sound, color and flavor of a cold quality beer. At Fermentis, helping brewers make the best beers is central to everything we do. This passion, knowledge and love for beer is what fuels us to provide the very best yeast for beer making. Brewers from every continent have chosen Fermentis active dry yeast. Today we would like to explain the values related to this technology, which we have called SafYeast. Reliability. We offer unparalleled consistent performance and sensory qualities in a variety of conditions. Ease of use. With E2U certified products, we can rehydrate or pitch directly. It's up to you. No extra care. With SafYeast, there's nothing to think about other than standard best practices. No special care, just let it work and enjoy a beer while you trust our yeast to do the job. Stability. Our R&D quality and industrial experts have worked hand in hand to ensure the genetic stability of our yeast with a consistent genotype from one batch to another. Thanks also to exceptional shelf life stability, we guarantee consistent performances for years and years. Quality. At Fermentis, we have quality control procedures at every step, from the reception of a yeast strain to its shipment across the globe. Consistency. You've just made the perfect batch? Keep it that way. With SafYeast, you can expect the same results over and over again. Freshness. Our drying process freezes the yeast in its best possible shape, at its most lively state in terms of both viability and vitality. Creativity. This is your part. Be creative. Our yeast range and the way it behaves in different conditions and the presence of a large range of other ingredients offers you unlimited possibilities. Go ahead and experiment. Availability. Same product, different package sizes. Depending on your needs, you can choose the packet size that's right for you and get it delivered to your doorstep with our network of partners throughout the world. No capital and cost-intensive yeast management. That's truly our part. Managing yeast is a tricky business. We know this. Save time and space, equipment and energy by handing your yeast management to a true world-class expert, so you can concentrate on what you love, brewing high-quality beers. Fermentis by Lesaffre, the obvious choice for beverage fermentation.